Keep your both palm on your eyes, press and release. You can do it 3 times. Now relax, deep inhale and exhale. Now gently move your head over your right shoulder and left shoulder. You can do 5 to 10 times. Now keep your right palm on your left ear. Gently press your head towards your left side. The same you'll do for your right ear. Now 2 finger and thumb hold your chin and press it back. Both elbows should be joined together. Interlace your fingers and place your both palm on your crown area and gently move your head towards your right side. Feel the stretch, feel your neck bone and left side. You can feel the side stretch also. Now gently move your both palm back side of your head and press gently your chin close to your collarbone. Now move your both palm to your forehead and look up and press gently. Now neutral head position, but feel the same press. You can feel your neck bone this time. You can hold this posture for a little longer. Relax. Now keep your chin close to your collarbone and start rotation clockwise. Halfway you'll inhale and halfway exhale. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. Deep inhale and exhale. Now place your both palm on your knees and raise your shoulders up towards your ears. Feel upper back. Release all tension from your back muscles. Gentle start rotation. Again clockwise and anti-clockwise. Feel your upper back. Relax. Now stretch your arms and open your palm and close. You can do multiple times. Now thumb will go in and 4 fingers will cover your thumb and you rotate your wrist clockwise and anti-clockwise. Now join your both palm together, stretch and join. Inhale, exhale. When you are stretching, inhaling, and when you're joining, it's exhaling. You can do multiple times this. Now flip your palm and keep your both palm on your shoulders and start rotation. You have to make complete circle through your elbow and you have to join your elbows together clockwise and anti-clockwise. You can do 10 each. Relax. Now move your right arm left side and left arm will cover your right elbow. Same thing, move your left arm right side and right arm will cover your left elbow. Feel the stretch. Now place your right arm back side, left arm will cover your right elbow. Same repeat with your left side. This is for your upper back. Now place your right palm, be seated, left palm up on the air, look up. Raise your both arms up. Interlace your fingers back. Deep inhale, exhaling and placing your head on the floor. Try to keep away from your body both arms. Relax. Now place your right palm on your left knee, left arm will go back, twist your spine. Now change. Now move your leg right side. Inhale and exhale. Catch your big right toe with right arm and left arm will be up. You can stay a little longer in this pose and change. Again, inhale, exhale and keep on breathing. Don't hold your breath here. Look up. Now join your both legs together. Inhale, exhale. Try to catch your both toes and place your head to your knee. If not possible, do halfway or you can take the support of block. Paschimottanasana. Now join your both legs together, butterfly pose. This you can do anytime. This is very good hip opening. Anyone can do. Kids to very tight hip. Now press, join together, press and join together. Pressing time, inhaling and exhaling. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Relax your legs with little more butterfly. Sit comfortably. Relax. Namaste.